Hey guys, so it's real Jamaican. Hey guys, so it's real Jamaican Foodies back again. I didn't plan to do a video, however, I am on the hit street because I came and I had an appointment down here. So I decided that I need to stop by and get a smoothie at my favorite spot. So that's what I'm gonna do. It's just this is gonna be a couple of minutes. It won't be a review, it's just me doing my thing. Yeah. It's actually very cloudy. Can you guess? Well, not really smoothie though. But anyways, you got it. Alright guys. This is my favorite, well, one of my favorite spots. Only because it smells like coffee in here. And when I come here, I always kind of like the treatment. So, yeah, can you guess where this is? Yes, guys. I'm at the famous Starbucks. And I'm gonna have something to drink. And I wanted to catch it on camera for you. Yeah. So this is what they have. I think I should go with the chocolate chip cookie. What do you guys think? I think so too. Can you get a chocolate chip cookie? Guys, I just did my eyebrows. They look hot, right? I'm grinning. Here you go. So hey guys, I'm waiting. I'm waiting. And I'm in my mask because, you know, COVID's the key, like always. Toby, cookies. Thank you. My cookie is here, guys. Cookie. But anyways, you can see the sea out there. I always like sitting there because I can see out, but you can't. Oh, guys, this cookie is awesome. It's a bomb. It's cheat day. And then my drink is coming. Thank you. This is my drink. And I think I like it here because my name is written there, you know? This is mad sweet. It's on my on its soft. This is really refreshing. Has some raspberry. It's not sweet. Then you have the milky taste. Nice. And healthy. This is what matters in life. So I'm gonna leave this on my cookie for later. I'm gonna go home. So everything kind of different now, seeing that it's the pandemic. So guys, this is not a video that I would do, but you know, I wanted to do a video. I show off my eyebrows. So see you guys. I may not put this up. So if you're seeing this, that means I changed my mind. Real Jamaican foodie on the scene. You know what I mean? I'm out.